All right, listen up. This is a Code Ninja security advisory. If you're a network defender, an admin, anyone on a security team, you need to drop what you're doing. This is an urgent directive. So let's get right to it. We're tracking a critical zero-day vulnerability, CVE 2026-5281. And here's the kicker, the absolute most important piece of intel you need to hear right now. This isn't theoretical. It's live. Active exploitation has been confirmed in the wild. People are using this right now. Let's be crystal clear about why we're doing this. The only reason for this disclosure is to get you immediate, actionable intelligence. We're giving you the directives you need to protect your perimeter today. Consider this us forcing a fix. So what exactly are we dealing with here? This thing is a high-severity use-after-free flaw. Now, you can see the technical definition, but what does that really mean? It's a really nasty type of memory corruption bug. And it's hiding in Dawn. That's the component that handles WebGPU in, you guessed it, pretty much all Chromium-based browsers. And if you're wondering just how bad it is, well, CISA's slapped a CVSS score of 8.8 on it. That's a high rating, folks. A number like that, it means you're looking at severe impacts across the board. Confidentiality, integrity, availability, the whole shebang. Okay, now this is what should really get your attention. Check out this timeline. We're talking warp speed here. It gets reported to Google on March 10th. By the 31st, bam, a patch is already shipped and it's confirmed as a 0-day. And then the very next day, April 1st, CISA has it in the KEV catalog. That kind of escalation, that tells you everything you need to know about how urgent this threat really is. All right, before we jump into the countermeasures, we need to do something crucial. We are going to establish a secure communication link for ongoing intel. This is a critical protocol. I'm serious. Do not skip this step. Okay, execute the secure channel protocol. Step 1, subscribe. This isn't for fun. It's a security necessity to maintain the channel for future alerts. Step 2, like this advisory. Think of this as your formal ACK, your acknowledgement that you've received this intel. We need to know this is getting through. And step 3, comment with your patch status. Just type patched, vulnerable, or in progress. This data is absolutely critical for all of us to gauge the blast radius. Good. Comms link established. Now let's move on. We're proceeding to the blast radius analysis. It's time to define the impact and figure out exactly who is at risk. So here's how they get you. The threat vector is surgical. The attacker crafts a specific HTML page to hit that Dawn WebGPU component. But, and this is the crucial part, there's a prerequisite. The attacker has to already have a foothold inside the sandboxed renderer process. This vulnerability, this UAF, it's their golden ticket. It's the key they use to break out of that sandbox and run whatever code they want. And you better believe it can and will be chained with other exploits for a full system compromise. And this right here, this shows you just how big the problem is. This is not just a Google Chrome issue, not by a long shot. Look at this list. Any browser built on the Chromium engine inherits this vulnerability. We're talking Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, the whole family. If your organization is running any of these, you are exposed. You're at risk until those patches are integrated and pushed out. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. What do you need to do right now? This is the most important part, so pay close attention. These are your immediate mitigation directives. Your protocol has 4 steps. Listen carefully. Step 1 is obvious. Patch. Get Chrome updated to version 146.0.7680.178 or later. Step 2, relaunch. And I cannot stress this enough, this is absolutely non-negotiable. A background update does nothing for a browser that's already running. It's still vulnerable. You must force a full restart on every single endpoint. Step 3, verify. Go and check the patch status for every other Chromium browser in your environment. And finally, step 4, this is your containment plan if you can't patch right away. Disable WebGPU through enterprise policy. Lock it down. All right, to wrap this up, just a quick debrief on our disclosure code. Basically, why we're telling you all this publicly. Look, we practice what's called coordinated vulnerability disclosure for one simple reason. You, the person on the front lines, you need to know when there are active threats out there so you can actually protect your systems. This public advisory, it's a tool. It's designed to force everyone to patch and patch fast and to arm you with the intel you need to get your environment secure. So let me leave you with this. That quote on your screen, that's not a suggestion. That's my directive to you. CISA gave federal agencies until April 15th. You should use that as your benchmark. Treat that date as the absolute final deadline. After that, you have to assume you've been breached. Consider this your final warning. This is Code Ninja's Security. Comms link terminated. Stay secure.